Hello children, welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn on this online platform in history from 7th standard, 13th lesson, Life of the People in Maharashtra. Video series number 35. Children, till the last video, we gathered information about the Maratha administration in the last few chapters. Now, in this chapter, we shall study the social conditions and life of the people in that period. Let's turn to the introduction. The Hindvi Swaraj formed by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a state for the people, founded with the noble intention of the welfare of common people, removal of oppression, and the protection of Maharashtra Dharma. So children, in the period after Shivaji Maharaj, Maratha power spread to all parts of India, and it lasted for about 150 years. First point, social conditions. Agriculture and occupations based on agriculture, that means allied activities, were the major occupations. The Patil received land as inam and a part in village revenue for his work. The Patil was responsible for the protection of the village and the Kulkarni handled the revenue. Patil received land as inam. He also received a part of the village revenue. The Balutedar were paid in kinds, in the form of objects, food grains, etc., for the work they did for the village people. And there were 12 balutedars, such as blacksmith, carpenter, potter, locksmith, goldsmith, etc. in a village. They worked for the village people. The village occupations were divided into Kali and Pandri. It means peasants or the farmer worked in their fields in the Kali. Some other words are alternate to it in land, earth or in soil, and others in Pandri within the village precincts. It was considered important to conduct the affairs of the village with mutual understanding. Next point, customs and traditions. Child marriage and polygamy prevailed. There were practices of to have many wives, different methods of performing last rites, seeking muhurta, belief in dreams and omens, performance of anushtans, belief in astrology, offering to God something as nervous. There was lack of scientific attitude, and so they were considered more important to these all beliefs than medical treatment. Standard of living. Most people lived in self-sufficient village. Their life was simple and their needs were limited. Jowar, bajra, wheat, ragi, maize, rice and other grains were produced. Daily diet of common people consisted of bhakri, onion, chutney and an accompaniment. The diet of the rich included rice, dal, chapatis, vegetables, salad, milk, and curd or dahi. Village houses were built with mud and bricks, whereas 1 or 2-story vadas were built in cities. Men wore dhoti, kurta, angarkha, whereas women wore 9-yard saris and blouse. Next point is the festivals. People celebrated a number of festivals. The practice of celebrating Ganeshotsav started during the Peshwa period. Dasara was an auspicious day, and the Marathas used to launch their campaign on this day. Weapons were worshipped, and it was a tradition to cross boundaries and distributed apta leaves. Gudi Padwa, Diwali, Bali Pratipada, Bailpola, and Bhau Beej were other important festivals. Wrestling in Jatras and Tamasha were popular forms of entertainment in that period. In that way, today we have learned some important points from this lesson. Remaining points we will see in the next meeting, children. Thank you.